I had to license my invention from my institution. It took about 2 weeks, and I get, they say, oh, you want to start a business? Here's the license deal. Look at that, say, okay. It was very, very fair, very, very positive, very easy, and they just say, we're proud that you're starting a company, so go. I had no money, of course, no place, and only an office at home, a small office, but it was also the laundry room. And when I did my first tax, I had a tax audit from the government, and they came and audited myself, and so I kind of hide the appliance behind a curtain, and with, I had these science posters and my computer, but he came, saw that, said, okay, you're starting, it's all right. And in the middle of the audit, the washer starts spinning. And I was like, an experiment. It's an experiment. But that's how Photon started. In a laundry room. Some are garage company. Mine is a laundry room company. Beginning of 2004, I borrowed a piece of lab in a university. And they allow me to have just a small piece of the optical table. I made the first prototype. I was able to sell the first filter, and that gave me the bit of money to hire someone and then rent a space at university. And we were the first in the Joseph Armand Bombardier Incubator from Polytechnique at University of Montreal. It's always the case with physicists and optical people, because and a lot of scientists, they develop a basic technology, and then you ask yourself what you can do with that, instead of starting from a problem and say, hey, what solution can I find for it? It's very hard to have a new technology and analyze markets one after the other, saying, where can I fit? You don't know enough about these markets, and people in these markets cannot understand your technology. It's a very difficult position. So at some point you just say, okay, then you go. And that's why we went to the people who were scientists. That's why we became a manufacturer of analytical instruments for scientists mainly. And that's how it's our basic, it's our one of our core business that's kept us alive for a long time and kept us growing for a long time. As a scientist, for me, the business world was, the dark side. These are not all sharks and, money, greedy people. Some people want to build something even on the dark side. So I switched, and what I found was something totally unexpected. People help each other, and just the fun to have a team, build a team, and have common adventure with a lot of people.